This is day 3 of me trying to knit the Korshavn sweater in
a week.
7 days. 7 days. I'm trying to knit the Korshavn sweater in 7 days, and this is my progress so far. This is it. That's it. Like, this is not impressive. This is not good progress. Like, I feel like, I don't know. I feel like I'm better than this.
You're a disappointment.
So it is 12:35 right now. I haven't even knitted 1 stitch yet, and I really want to finish the body and finish the yoke, and we'll see if I can do that. Honestly, I'm just like, I just need to zoom. Like, I've been taking my time, it feels like. I feel like I'm knitting.
No, that's just the body today.
Kalila, I'm gonna finish the body easily today.
You haven't knit a stitch yet, so.
But Kalila, I'm on row 9 on my 3rd set. And I only have 4 to do. She's doubting me. You know what? I'm about to finish the whole sweater today just for that. Let's get it. Okay guys, I finished the 4th set of the chart that I'm doing, and it looks like this so far. Honestly, I don't feel like my project is growing at all. I feel like it's still at the same like measurement. Like, it looks the same, but I know it's growing, but to me it doesn't seem like it. But honestly, this would be a cute skirt. I can see it. Anyway, now I'm going to do basically the chart again to reach my measurement. So I did finish the 4th set, but I have to do 11 rows of the chart again. So basically I'm doing it 5 times so I can reach my correct measurement, and then once I do that, I'll just end off for the night, because I'm just gonna stay on track with my sister so that we can all, like, so that's 9 right now, and if I do that's the 4, be like, yeah, so I can be on track with my sisters and we can all finish at the same time. So they have to do like 5 sets of the chart plus half of the chart again, and so it's gonna take them longer because they're doing a size large, I'm doing a size small because I don't care for my sweaters to be huge. So I'll just keep pace with them, and while they're working on their stuff after I finish, I'll be reading. So that's the plan. But let's continue knitting, and my battery's about to die. Okay guys, I finished that last part and my project looks like this. It's so weird doing the body first, and then I just realized it's taking long because I'm literally doing the body first. Of course it's gonna take like 3 days to do it. I'm just so used to doing the collar, the yoke, the body, and that usually takes around, to get to the body, it takes around like 3 days to get to it. So it's like, why am I still on a body when I should have like the collar and the yoke done already? But this is bottom up. It's so weird, so weird. Anyway, I think it looks really cool, and this is so easy. It's so easy, and it doesn't even feel like a sweater because what? It doesn't feel like a sweater because it's so thick. Like, this is so heavy, but I'm really getting used to the weight. Anyway, so I'm gonna stop right here because my sisters still have to do their like section of it. So I'm just going to end for the night and start on the yoke tomorrow. We have to start working, why can I speak? We have to start working flat tomorrow. So we'll be splitting for sleeves, technically, like binding off on the sides, and then working one section and then one section. So that's gonna be very weird, and I'm honestly waiting for the twins to be done with their section so that I can just follow their lead when it comes to the next part. So that's what I'm gonna do. See you guys tomorrow.